But sometimes moving from one church to another church, it is not healthy. Sometimes we don't follow the miracles. Your blessing does not depend on how anointed your pastor is. Your pastor can be highly anointed, but your blessings does not depend on him. It depends on you and Jesus Christ. And so, even if you are in a church that they have air conditions, 1 million members, whatever, that doesn't mean you'll be blessed. It is always sorry, air conditioning and you can come and sometimes you need to be in a place where the presence of God is. With all that you need is a place whereby you can feel the presence of God. Even if it's in a school or wherever it is. So long as the presence of God is there, that is a better place for you to be. I have realized one thing here in Ghana, and that is bothering me a lot. You hardly find a church that is built on Christ nowadays. It's very hard. But it's all like, it's my pastor, my prophet, my bishop, my apostle. The pastors have built the church. They have built the church on themselves. The pastors have built the church, the trust of the church upon themselves. It is no more about our Lord Jesus Christ. It is all about men. But Jesus never called anybody.